Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. These are the original black rims from the new to me z06 that I got. It's 2013, and I thought I would give you some specs on these. The rears are, I'll read it out to you. I'm not sure it'll come out on the video. 325/30/19, and the fronts are 275/35 ZR18. Eagle F1 supercar run flat tires, G2, I guess that means generation 2. And the rims are, well, you have to read that upside down, okay? They're speed lines, made in Italy. It's the same company that made my rims on my C5 Z06. And the rears are 19/12/59 is the offset. And the fronts, hold on. Well, I'm going to read this to you. My camera's having a little bit of a bad day with focusing. It's 18/9.5/40 is the offset there. I think it did finally decide to focus. So I cleaned them up and thought I'd just share the wheel and tire information. Now, I had some my BF Goodrich Rival S race tires. I was trying to put them on here, but they don't quite fit. So what I'm going to have to do is they fit the caliper okay, but well, no, I take that back. They don't fit the caliper okay. They need to be spaced out a little bit from the caliper, and when you do that, you should usually put a longer stud on also. So I'm going to put some studs and space it out, and then I should be good to go. I haven't got to the front yet.